Hello everybody, happy Monday. I hope you're doing great. It's time for another maths lesson, and today our learning objective is to consolidate our addition. That basically means to check how much we know and to make sure we're understanding our addition. We've just got one more practice at it before we break up for half term and for Christmas. So I've got some things on my board here that we've been using lots and lots so far this term. Can you remember what we call those? They are part-whole models. We have got two parts and a whole, and our parts come off our whole. So if we have a look at this one, it's upside down because our whole is at the bottom. But that doesn't matter because we can still see that our parts come off of our whole. It doesn't matter which way around it is. So let's start with this one. This one tells us that we've got 8 as our whole and 4 as one of our parts, so we need to find the other part. So I'm going to start with 4. I'm going to pick up 4 Christmas cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many more Christmas cards do I need to add on to reach 8? Well, let's see, I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I've reached 8 now, so let's see how many I added onto my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I started with 4 and I've added on 4 more to reach 8. So in my other part, I need to put a 4. Let's have a look at this one. Well, if I've already know that 7 is one part, how many cards do I need to start with? I need to start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 cards here. Let's count how many more we need to get to 9. 7, 8, 9. How many cards did I add on to 7 to get to 9? 1, 2. I added 2, so 2 is my other part. 7 add 2 equals 9. We've got one last part-whole model to fill in now. So we know the whole, the total that we're trying to reach is 10. And we already know one of our parts is 6. So how many cards shall I start with? I'm going to start with my part that I know, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I've got my 6 Christmas cards I need to send out. And let's add on, let's see how many more we need till we get to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've reached 10. Let's see how many I added on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I added on 4 cards. So I started with 6, add on 4, and I got to 10. So 4 and 6 are my parts to reach 10. Down here I have got a number, well, it's a bit like a tens frame actually, but it's in a different shape. And I have got 3 cards. I've got 3 cards here, so I'm going to colour in 3 of my blocks. 1, 2, 3. Now I want to know how many more cards, what I need to add to 3 to reach 10. How would you do that? Have a little think. I'm going to count the rest of my blocks which aren't shaded in because I know there's 10 there altogether. So if I've already done 3, I need to see how many more I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 3 that are shaded in and 7 that aren't. To write that as a number sentence, I'm going to start with my first part, which was 3. Where can you see it here? 3. And I'm going to add the amount that aren't shaded in, which was 7. And all together that is equal to 10 because there are 10 blocks all together. 3 and 7 on my part, and when we add those together, it's the same as 10. Okay then, I want you to have a go at the Santa Edition worksheet, which is at the bottom of the Maths Home Learning page, and have a go at all of the part whole models and then all of the adding. Okay, so good luck with it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.